Today on Outdoor Handyman Adventures, I'll be showing you how to install an inside door lock.
Alright, put this little spacer piece on there. Okay, it should fit good there. Lined up here. Get that one started. Okay. I pre-drilled some holes already in here on this particular one to make it easier for me to start. Just when you hold this up there, just hold it up there, get you a pen or a pencil and just kind of mark your spots. Get your little drill bit, which is smaller than the screw, a smaller drill bit than the screw, so you don't want it where the screw wobbles around in there. You want it where to tighten up in there. Alright, let's start it here. Makes it a whole lot easier when you're installing it. This one just a hair, because I want to make sure I get it where I can move it if I need to. Okay, put the other two in. You don't want to tighten it up until after you get all your screws in. Tighten up a little bit more than that. Okay, because I don't want to rip it out of the door or nothing. Okay, I want to make sure that's secure. Oh, good. Yep. Oh, good Lord, that is good and secure. Okay, now we got this other piece we need to mount, and we'll be mounting it on the frame of the door here. So you have it where the door will open. You line it right up. Okay, you got it lined up. Grab your pen or pencil. Okay. Mark the little holes. Mark these holes here. And then I got one more, I think, behind it, but we can't get to it because of that piece there. So we will get it in a minute. Well, actually, it looks like it already marked it. By just putting it up there, that's kind of weird. No, it didn't. I thought it did, but it didn't. Okay, we'll mark that like that. Okay, now I got to go get some screws for it. Alright. We'll add this piece too. Also, let's get these started. Hold it. The door, make sure the door shuts all the way. The door is shut all the way. Good. They lining up. They are. Yep. Okay. We'll start the screw in there. Okay, but we don't want to tighten it all the way up yet. Okay. I'm gonna put a piece on there. I might as well go ahead and I'm gonna do it like this first. Make sure I got it lined up correctly. Okay, now door closes. Door shut. That flips over. And you got your lock. Works great. Okay. Now we know we got it in the right place. Now we can tighten it up. Alright, I'm going to loosen this one up. Let's see, nope. Yep, I do, because I'm going to put this pin in there because the pin's going to fall through like this. So I guess I'll just put the pin, I'll mount it on the bottom screw. I think it'll be fine. Because I mounted on the top, it could be fine there too, I will, I guess. But I think I'm going to mount it on the bottom screw. which is okay because we can slide it if we need to move it to adjust it. Yep. Well, yep. I need to move it back a little bit, which is okay. That can be easily done. Slide it back, but what I'm going to do is when I put the middle screw in, I'm going to use it to pull it back that way. And that will give us what we need to get the play we need for it to shut, the door to shut and open like it should correctly. I didn't put a pilot hole there. So I'm going to try to see if I can do it without putting a pilot hole in there, if I can. I may have to. We'll see. No, I think we're good. Slide my bit out just a little bit. I got a short bit I'm using today. Okay. Let's see if it's going to work now. Look at there. Look at that. Oh yes, works good now. Now we just need to tighten the rest of these up and it should be good to go. I'm going to tighten this top one up first. Okay, I want to make sure that's when my stick will come in and out. Yes, it will. Good. And I'm going to put the little other piece on this screw here. I think that would be good. Or I could use it for an added piece. I don't know. Put it here. Put this over here too as well, but I don't think so. I think I'll just put it where when the door is locked, this goes here. I just need to make sure where I'm going to hook the chain. Okay, that's good right there. Okay, so yeah, I think hooking it down here will be fine. Hooking it at the bottom. This is the first lock like this I've done, so if I'm doing it wrong, just you can leave a comment. Let me know. But I like it. I like that so far. It's looking really good. Door's shut. That looks good. You can open that. The door will only open so far. Flip it all the way over and the door opens all, well, make sure you got it all the way and then the door will open up. Yep. Just like that. I think it'll work that way too. Look at there. So if you just did that. But just to peek out the door, then you can close it and make sure you get it all the way back and then it's good. So yeah, it's working good. Alright, so if you like this video, like, subscribe. Have a great day.